In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete old Outlook emails older than period. We'll look at two places you might be using Outlook: the new Outlook or Outlook on the web and the classic Outlook desktop app. I'll keep it simple and show you exactly how to find and remove older messages safely and quickly. If you are in the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, start by using the search bar at the top. Type received, Fei YY Fei 2. 1000 Fei on 1000. For example, received. Fei 2020, 6 Fei 20 will show messages received before January 20. 2020, 6. This filter is precise and fast, so you don't have to scroll through pages of mail. Once the results load, select all the messages in the results and press delete. Those items typically move to deleted items, so if you are trying to free up storage, remember to empty deleted items afterward. Next, still in the new Outlook or web version, open Settings using the gear icon, then go to General and choose Storage. Here, you'll find a helpful cleanup option. Pick a folder and use the drop-down to target messages older than 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. This is great when you prefer date-based cleanup without constructing a search. Review what's selected before confirming, because once you clear deleted items, those messages are gone for good. Now, let's switch to the classic Outlook desktop app. You can use the same search trick here. In the search box, type received, Fei Wei Fei 2000 Fei 1000 to pull up messages older than the date you specify. Select the results and delete them. Then empty deleted items if your goal is to reduce mailbox size. If you want Outlook to handle this automatically, use Auto Archive. Right. Click the folder you want to manage, like Inbox, choose Properties and open the Auto Archive tab. Select Archive this folder using these settings. Set the age threshold such as 180 days and choose Permanently Delete Old Items. Click OK to save. This makes cleanup consistent without you having to remember to run searches. Just be aware that permanently deleting bypasses deleted items. So only enable this when you are confident about the age threshold. Finally, the Mailbox Cleanup tool is built for targeted pruning. Go to File, then Info, choose Tools, and select Mailbox Cleanup. Use the Find option to locate items older than a specific date. When the list appears, review it and delete what you don't need. This is a safe way to preview before you remove anything. That's it. Thanks for watching.